1. Identify the cut mark. 2. Cut along the designated cut position. 3. Insert the LED board into the cutting machine. 4. Lower the cutting head to cut. 5. Insert the fiberglass board into the solder window. 6. Solder the LED PCB to the fiberglass strip. 7. Pre-tin the solder pads for the lead wires. 8. Solder the lead wires. 9. Light up test. 10. Insert the silicone stopper into the opening. 11. Apply sealant-grade silicone around the plug to prevent glue ingress during injection molding. 12. Measure parts A and B of the primer adhesive and mix them at a 1-to-1 ratio until homogeneous. 13. Apply a thin, even coat of primer to the cut end, the lead wires, and the backside of the strip where the end cap will be pressed. 1. Connect the power supply. 2. Connect the air compressor. 3. Check the air pressure, 0.5 to 0.7 megapascals. 4. Turn on the end cap press and the heater and wait for the mold to heat up. 5. Enter the operation screen. Chinese/English is available. 6. Tap One-Key Purge. 7. Check the dispensing tube to ensure the purge flow is smooth. 8. Press and hold to switch between manual and automatic modes. 9. Tap Recipe Management. 10. Select the corresponding model. 11. Tap Recipe Call to load the recipe. 12. Return to the operation screen. 13. Place the LED neon flex in the mold cavity. 14. Place the green spacer in front of the strip to ensure end cap consistency. 15. Press both side switches simultaneously. The machine will automatically complete the end cap pressing cycle. 16. Wait about 1 minute. 17. After heating is complete, the mold will rise automatically. 18. Remove any excess silicone. 19. After pressing the end cap, turn off the end cap press and the heater. 1. Open the rear and side doors of the end cap press. 2. Remove the retaining locking valves between the adhesive tanks and the air cylinders. 3. Remove both air cylinders. 4. Remove the sealing gaskets. 5. Rotate the AB canisters counterclockwise and remove them. 6. Select a new AB adhesive set and cut the tip as shown. 7. Insert the AB canisters into the tanks in sequence and tighten clockwise. 8. Fit the sealing gaskets. 9. Reinstall the air cylinders matching AB correctly. Do not mix them up. 10. Install the retaining valves and tighten. 1. Loosen the marked screws and nuts. 2. Wipe off any glue around the outlet with a cloth. 3. Attach the injection tip to the injection tube. 4. Fit the sealing nut. 5. Tighten the sealing nut and screws. 6. On the control screen, check that the injection tip aligns with the mold hole. 7. Tap One-Key Purge. Verify the glue flows properly and the system works normally. 1. On the control screen, lower the mold. 2. Remove the 8 screws on the front and rear of the mold. 3. On the control screen, raise the mold and remove the old blocks. 4. Install the new mold and align it properly. 5. First, tighten the 4 screws on the lower mold. 6. Lower the mold on the control screen, then tighten the 4 screws on the upper mold to finish.